Hi everyone, this is Geeta Kiran. Here is my next hairstyle tutorial for the little one, which is little different from the other. It's quite trendy and something different. So let's get started. To start off with this hairstyle, take a middle sectioning from the forehead towards the back of the head. That's the nap area. Take a sectioning, and then to start off with, as we did it earlier as well, take a small triangular section in one side of the section. Take a small triangular section. Here, the simple thing what you need to do is twist the hair towards the inner side, not the outer side, not towards the ear side. It's towards the inner side. Twist it and roll it and place it. You can see here in the third section properly how to do it. Twisting it here. When you're twisting, after done with the twisting, use the index finger of your right hand and turn around the index finger. With the help of the left hand, hold it tightly and use a bobby pin to pin it, to secure it over there. Be little careful so that it doesn't hurt the scalp of the head, because when you're putting a bobby pin, you're also like little hesitant to put it, so you try to put it very tightly. So be little easy. Again, take a twist, roll it over an index finger and secure it with the bobby pin. Take a small sections and keep doing it till the end of the hair. Here my daughter hair is very small, which is still only till shoulder length, so I have done a pony in the end. If you have a longer hair, you can continue doing till the nap area, till the end. Keep securing like that till the end, and in the end, however you want to do, you can close it with that. I have done a ponytail here. If you want to continue with the same hairstyle till the end and put a braid or pony, you can keep it like that, or else you can join both the sides and put one pony. That also looks awesome. So like that, secure all the twists with the bobby pin. Here is a small tip. If you're feeling the twists are loose, use 2 bobby pins instead of 1. I have used 1 bobby pins, whereas you can use 2 bobby pins for the same. Continue doing the same thing on the other side of the hair also. Only thing, you ensure that which side you are twisting the hair, whether you are twisting it inside or the outside. If you are doing it inside, you do it inside both the sides. If you are doing it outside, do it outside both the sides. Once you are done with both the sides, here is a thing what you need to do. Now we need to remove all the bobby pins, but be little careful when you are removing the bobby pins. Slowly keep removing the bobby pins one by one. When you are removing the bobby pins, don't just be in a rush and just pull off the bobby pin. Hold the twist in the left hand, gently, and then remove slowly the bobby pins. When you are removing, ensure that there are no hairs which is being pulled out of the twist. So you just give a small push outside and then pull it slowly. If you do that, the twists are holding to each other and it is completely secured. Give a small push to the bobby pin and remove from the other side. So here is a final look. You can use any accessories if you want to make it look much more grand, or else also this also looks very gorgeous, isn't it? Here is a completed look. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or any more videos or any type of hairstyles which you want me to do it, please leave it in the comment section below. That would be really helpful for me. Any questions related to any hairstyle related things, please drop it in the comment section so that I would be glad to answer all your queries. Thank you very much.